CHINNU.
Let's learn the names of some amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can live both in water and on land. They are cold-blooded and have smooth, moist skin. Most amphibians lay their eggs in water and their babies live in water before going into adults that can breathe air. Frog. Frogs have smooth, wet skin and can jump high. They live both in water and on land. Toad. Toads have dry, bumpy skin and live mostly on land near water. Tree frog. Small frog that lives on trees and have sticky feet for climbing. Bullfrog. A big cloud frog that lives in ponds and lakes. Poison dart frog. Brightly colored frogs have poison on their skin. Green frog. A common frog that lives near ponds and makes plunk sounds. Leopard frog. Has dark spots like a leopard and can jump everywhere. African clawed frog. Lives in water and uses its claws to catch food. Fire-bellied toad. Has a bright red belly that warns enemies to stay away. American toad. Found in North America and makes a long musical trill sound. Salamander. Looks like a lizard but has soft, moist skin and lives in damp places. Newt. A small salamander that lives in both water and on land. Red spotted newt. Bright orange newt with red spots often seen in forests. Axolotl. A special salamander that stays in water all its life and can regrow body parts. Tiger salamander. Large and yellow striped, it lives in burrows and comes out at night. Spotted salamander. Black with yellow spots and hides under leaves in the forest. Mud puppy. A large water-living salamander that makes a barking sound. Sicilian. Worm-like amphibian that lives underground and has no legs. Alpine newt. Found in Europe mountains, it has bright blue and orange colors. Glass frog. Glass frog has see-through skin, so you can see its organs inside.